EEX3417 session 4 flowchart. Flowchart has the following basic types of symbols. 1. Terminator. 2nd. Input output. 3rd. Process. 4th. Sub-process. 5th. Decision. First 1. Terminator. Start and end of a flowchart is represented by following symbols. A terminator has two symbols, start and end. Start symbol is this shape and write start and arrow from start symbol to the below. End terminator inside this shape write end and flow arrow from the flowchart to the end. From the end the flowchart is ended. Input and output. A shape of parallelogram symbol is used to represent an input or output. This arrow is from the starting from the flowchart, it processes and continues to this input A. A is a variable and input A, and from the that input output flows goes to the below and to the other flowchart diagrams. Then this also this is output. Output also represented by this type of shape called parallelogram, and this arrow indicates the upper part of the flowchart, and this arrow connect to the below part of the flowchart. Process. Shape of the process is rectangle. A process has a single task. This arrow indicates from the above diagrams from the flowchart to this process. Actually this process has A and B. A and B are variables, and either you have to define variables values, or you have to input from the input outside to this process. Here this 2 is constant and the result is B. Like that you can write A minus B, A minus 2 and A multiplied 2, or even A minus B also you can write, and this arrow indicate after this process to the other part of the flowchart. Sub-process. A sub-process has many sub-processes or processes. That means this is at two numbers. At two numbers mean there are several other steps. You have to input two numbers and add and print output. So it shrink to this sub-process. This rectangle, two rectangle represent the sub-process. This is the difference between the process and the sub-process is this rectangle, and this arrow is indicate the upper part of the flowchart. This is the below part of the flowchart. decision or say selection also. Shape of the decision is rhombus type. It is check whether the condition is true or false. Here the condition is A, with check whether A greater than 6. If it is true, if that means if it is A is greater than 6, the flow goes to this side. If the less than 6 or equal to 6, here goes to this side. And here A also a variable, so you have to input or you have to define earlier A. Example of a flow chart. Here this flow chart indicates that two values input two values called A and B and add, and the result goes to the S, and then check whether S is greater than 6. If it is greater than 6, that means if this condition is true, then print sum greater than 6. Else, that means if this condition is false, print sum less than or equal to 6. Here if it is greater than 6 mean if it is equal to 6 also this condition is not true, that so it goes to the false statement. And then end, and both this output and after that output goes flow chart goes to the end. So flow chart will end at here.